Okay guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to activate your Bless, how to set up and activate your Bless network extension. So let's get started. You open your Kiwi browser, we go to this three line to go and get our Bless. That's how we're already add the Bless Chrome extension on our Kiwi browser. So just click on login. So after you click on login, so you can log in with your GitHub and you can log in with your Google, and you can continue with your email. So I'm going to click on continue with Google. So okay, network is going. How to activate your Blessed network? So next thing you have to sign in with your email. So drop your email here. Oh, sorry for that. To drop your email here. The next thing is click on next. So we have to put the password. So put your password there. Click on next. And you can see. Okay, so we're almost done. We're almost done to activate our Bless network. You can see. Let's click on continue. Okay guys, sorry for that. We are activating our Bless network. Okay, we are signing in now, so it's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's redirecting us to Blackster. Okay, now this is our Bless network dashboard. So guys, you can see it very easy. It's very easy. So guys, for this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.